Hey Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and if you are trying to tone your arms, then I have a great workout for you. This is going to be a simple seated workout so you can tone your arms with resistance bands. So go ahead, grab your resistance band of choice, grab a seat, and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to be doing 3 sets. First I'll be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them. Less talking, more doing. So let's get started with exercise number 1. We are going to start off with some bicep curls. You can't do an arm toning workout without bicep curls, so you're just going to grab your resistance band like so. We're going to put it on the ground right in the middle of our feet, and now it basically creates handles. And all we're going to be doing is performing some bicep curls for 30 seconds. So here we go in 3, 2, and 1. So you just hold your arms right in front of you and then try to only hinge from your elbows. Just like that. Just have constant tension. You don't have to lock it all the way, or you don't have to go all the way up. Just really have a nice pulse to it. Move over to the side so you can see. Essentially, keep my arms in front so that it's only my biceps that are being activated. Sometimes if you have your arms back here, you start using your shoulders and your triceps. So by having it right out in front locked, I know it's my biceps that are getting worked. A couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, next we have some shoulder presses. Turn your resistance band into an O. We're gonna step right in the middle of it, and we are just gonna be performing some over the head shoulder presses. So let's put 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. Hook it around your elbows and then pull it. This kind of helps lock it in place, and we're just gonna be pressing right over our head like this. Now again, you don't need to have a full lockout at the top. The resistance band is giving you enough of that tension to really feel it in your shoulders. Just make sure you're also pulling it as you're pushing it as well, just like this. Make sure you have a strong, brace your core. I was like, strong what? Brace your core, try not to bend your back forward or backwards, just like this. Just press right over in a nice, consistent pace, and you're really gonna feel the burn. Again, we're trying to tone our whole arms, so this is a great one for it. So 30 seconds, we're almost done. 3, 2, and 1, great job. All right, so staying in this position, just drop it to the ground, stay stepping on the resistance band. Now you're just gonna grab one side, one arm, and we're gonna be doing some lateral arm raises. So 30 seconds, and here we go. Just really focus on having in the front, get to where you start feeling the tension, log out here, and then focus on the raise. You don't have to drop all the way down to the ground, but just keeping that constant tension. You want your arms, palms facing down. Really just stay in this pocket right here. Your whole arm is gonna start to feel on fire. Your triceps, your shoulders, biceps, everything. So I love lateral arm raises. And with resistance bands, it's easier than dumbbells because you can let go of the tension, but then you can also still get to the top and really feel that work happening. So there we go. Now we're gonna switch sides for 30 seconds on the other side. Here we go. Just like this. I want to give extra time for these lateral raises because they are so good, because they work out the whole arm. Here we go. We're almost done. Come on. Really try to stay in that pocket. Now, if you get tired, feel free to release some of the tension, but then go right back to it. You got a couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, last but not least, we're gonna be doing some tricep kickbacks. You're just gonna want to step just one foot this time into one, and you can grab it at whatever length is comfortable for you. And we are going to perform some tricep kickbacks. With this, you're gonna want to, if your arm's straight out, you're gonna want to, boom, bend it to your side, 90-degree angle, and we're just gonna focus on trying to keep this from moving and all the action coming from this part of our arm like this, and really feel in our triceps. So 30 seconds, 15 seconds each side. Here we go. Now again, if the tension is too great and you feel like you can't lock out at the top, then just release some of it. It'll be a little easier for you. But if you feel like you can go a little further, then go a little shorter on the rope, or a band, I should say. All right, let's switch sides. Here we go. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. So there you have it. Those are your 4 exercises for your toning arms with bands. We are going to get started with set number 2 in just a second, but let's grab some water because you earned it. Okay, so you now know what you're doing, so we're going to get started with set number 2 right now. Bicep curls, 3, 2, and 1. Shoulder press in 3, 2, and 1. Lateral arm raises, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides, 3, 2, and 1. Tricep kickback in 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. There you go, set number 2 done. Grab some water. We're gonna need it. Set number 3 is coming up soon. All right, here you go. You know what you're doing. Let's just finish strong. Don't even think about it. Come on, it's just a couple curls, a couple tricep dips. You got this. Here we go, starting now. Bicep curls, 3, 2, and 1. Shoulder press in 3, 2, and 1. Lateral arm raises, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. 3, 2, and 1. Tricep kickback in 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. There you have it. That was your quick and simple seated workout for toning your arms with resistance bands. Again, you can do this seated, you can do this laying down, maybe not, but standing. You can do these anywhere. That's why I love things like resistance band. You can fit it into anywhere. You don't have to worry about carrying a bunch of weights around with you. So if you like this video, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos just like this dropping. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.